Hello friends, in this video we would be looking at how we can run ME21N T code, which is used for purchase order. Let's go quickly to SAP and learn how this code runs. So we'll just put the code over here, ME21N, and this is how the purchase order window looks like. So to fill this we have two options. The first option is manually you go to each and every option and fill those details, or else you can take the reference of your purchase requisition which we have created in the last video in ME21N. So for that, to take the reference, we need to go over here, select variant option. We'll just select this. Then we need to go to purchase requisition. So over here, which is your latest requisition number will appear over here, or you can go to my purchase requisition. So we'll go to purchase requisition over here, and over here the number is not getting. So let's try, let's go to my purchase requisition option and see whether we are getting that option or not. My purchase requisition. So you get all the requisitions made by this login. So my reference code was 17445. That's the first one. So I'll just select this, and then you need to select on this option, adopt. So see, you can see the details which were present in purchase requisition are automatically being filled in purchase order window. Now over here you just need to select the vendor. Over here, if you don't know the vendor, you can search through help by your plant code or your company code. But as I know my vendor number is 1000, I'll just put the 1000 over here. I'll put purchase organization. Yes, this is everything has a code over here. So our purchase organization in which the company I am working in, it is 1000 again. And then over here, that's it. We can just enter over here, and over here there's one option over here. So ERS, we need to tick GRBSD and this option, and we just need to untick this, and we are done almost, I guess. Let's see the error which we are getting in. Okay, the error is gone, so that means we have done all the things correctly. So over here, by taking the reference, my half of the work was done through automatically by the reference, and the things which I need to enter was vendor, my purchase organization number, and I just need to untick ERS and just tick on GR, because it is through the requisition, purchase requisition. That is the reason I'm putting a tick on this, and then you can save. And yes, we have successfully created purchase order. I mean to say, we have created a PO, standard PO created, and this is my number. So I'll just note down this number, and then in the next video I would show you how we can put Migo, how we can use this purchase order number in Migo for goods transfer. So thank you for this video.